Okay, I'm trying this again. I'm setting up a computer. It really doesn't matter what operating system, but I have Linux on this one that I'm going to let a church have. And I wanted to show you how to set up to where you can video record like a church service. Let me show you. So, like I said, I have Linux operating system on this right here. And then I have my camera, which I'm using. This is my personal camera. I'll probably loan it to the church for a while till they get their own. And it has a video output. This could be any camera that, as long as it has video output right here, which I'm capturing through this device in here. And I'm going to show them how to set it up to where you can basically do a live stream on Facebook. Now, the reason why I'm showing this way is because with a camera where you can do it with the audio and video, we can connect up the audio, both channels or one channel, to an audio source other than the camera. You can use the camera, but other than the camera, the video the camera is using, if you have HDMI, you can do it that way as well. Adjust this here. But in this particular case, this camera I'm going to be using, again, video output, and it runs into here. It's going to be captured by the USB device into the computer. And then if you have the separate audio, what you can do is you can get it off of the sound system that the minister or whatever speaker is using. And if you've got the right other devices, you can switch back and forth between either camera audio or a microphone that picks up the sound, or again, you can get off of the sound system of the church or the facility and run it into your video stream. Alright? So this is the way I have it set up, capturing right here through this device. And I'll try to get back here at the beginning just to show you. Now, I had troubles doing it wireless, so I ended up going direct wire, which is what I recommend. And that's the address. Okay, I've reconnected everything. I now have the camera attached. I'm right next by my router. It's right over there, about 5 feet away. So I'm direct connected to it. Hopefully I've got a good signal. Let me go in here and try to show you. That looks good. I gotta unlock this though. Okay. Looking good. Going into Facebook. That looks pretty good now. Still slow. Maybe it'll connect. There it connects. Alright, so I'm going to go in here and do a live video. Camera's all hooked up and ready. I'm going to tell it we're going to go live. I'm going to select that. Hopefully you can see this. You zoom in a little bit. There we go, select that. And get started. That's fine, who cares? Recommend video source. Webcam. Okay, that's up here in this case, but it varies depending upon what you're running. I'm going to let it allow it to use the camera and microphone. I'm going to say webcam even though it's not a webcam, and say next. And next. Alright, it's not ready there. But I need to select my source, and this is the AV to USB 2 device, so that's going to be the source. Select that one. There it goes. See, Samsung, and there it is. I've got the video recording. See, it's worked. And it should also use the audio off of this. If I can tell it the audio. Camera controls. That's the camera. And microphone. It says default. I am going to also select this one. So it's using what's coming off the camera. Alright. And then all I have to do is just sit there and say go live, which is right down here. For a minute, I will go live. I can give it a title. Add a title. Producer. Okay, and go live. Just say go live. 3, 2, 1. And here I am testing it. I had shown what's on the video. I can turn off the options on the camera so you don't see all those. And that should be done ahead of I. There you are. So on standby, I can tell it to record, and then it's card locked. Alright. But anyhow, let me show you right here. There it is. It says standby because my video camera says standby in there. See it? That's what it's showing you. But anyhow, this is doing it live right now. I can close out of it. I can say and. Say and. And that's basically how I do it. Now if you're running through like OBS, the video studio software, you can actually go in here and get a code number that you embed inside the application, and then it will connect directly. You don't have to go through all this action. And again, I'll show you one more time. I'll go back to my home page right here. There it is. I can get rid of it. I can come down here or up here, say where it posts, say live video. You know, showing you again, say select. That's fine, whatever. Use the webcam. If you use streaming software, that's where you get the code for your OBS. Next. It should be showing me the video page. I'm not going to go live right now. Done. There it is. And again, it's showing me right now. This is it, but I got to change my default. See, this is the camera, which is finding. This is the speaker, but I need to change it to this one because that's the one that's running through the cable here. Oops, gotta widen it. Running through the cable right here. That's running into that little box. Gotta raise up the back part of this leg here. Running into this device right here, which you can't see, it's just off camera. There it is. Right there, that's the capture card. Okay, and again, I recommend that the audio come from the microphone or whatever that the minister or whoever is using has. Okay? Thanks. Bye.